Hi, my name is Kellen. I'm a professional pest control operator for both Bengal products and Bengal Pro exterminators. Today we're going to walk you through how to do DIY pest control using Bengal products. No one likes wasps around their home. There's nothing worse than going to spray a nest and the next thing you know, you're running for your life, swatting the air. With Bengal foaming wasp and hornet killer, the spray and run technique is a thing of the past, thanks to our 25-foot reach and foam trapping action. Because it's water-based, non-staining product, you can treat nests near your home without worrying about leaving a stain on the structure. It's also safe on ornamental plants and shrubs. It treats yellow jackets as well. Because of the lower temperatures, the best time to treat nests is to treat early in the morning or late in the afternoon when the stinging insects are less active, meaning they are more likely to be on the nest at those times. Shake the can, then from a safe distance, aim the nozzle at the nest and spray. You want to soak the nest while contacting as many insects as possible. Be sure to wait 24 hours before removing the nest so insects returning will die as well. There you have it. Now you know how to do some DIY pest control with Bengal products.